All right, y'all. Unboxing time. Unboxing time. We're going to get this short, quick, and sweet because, what time is this? Real late at night. It's almost 2 in the morning. If it ain't 2 in the morning yet, it's almost 2 in the morning. If it's not already 2. Oh, my goodness. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What we've been waiting on. Obviously, they done messed up they messed it up. So we're going to go ahead and get that up out there. Look, why is this like this? This should have been in the box. This was crazy. So this was already ripped up. Okay. Does it tell you the lens mount on it? Nope. But y'all check that out. That's the specs right there. You know, I'll throw that to the side. Check the box. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know how I am. So, FX mount. I'm a Fuji shooter. Boom. Let's get this up out of here. Come on now. There we go. Yeah, the last one had already been opened. Guarantee. Last one was already open. We're gonna pull the thing out. Fresh new lens smell, baby. And this one is way smaller than the other one. It's a chunk. FX, baby. That's what I need. FX. I don't know if y'all can see that. FX. Nice chunker. Boom. Cold. Dang cold, baby. Don't get me wrong. Kit lens is cool. Because I do use the kit lens. But we definitely about to you know, shout out my rig, you feel me? Shout out my rig. Boom. Shout out my rig, shout out my let's do it this way. Let's put it on like that. Yeah. Boom. All right. You see standard Fuji lens 16-50. This is the XF weather seal. You know. Boom. That's cool, that's cute. I'm gonna throw this on there. Yay. We're gonna slap the fat boy on there. Slap it on. Whoo! Just what we've been waiting on. Just what we've been waiting on. Ooh. Nice. Check that out. Check that element out. Bang. Nice element. Nice look. We're going to go ahead and get a feel for you. Feel test. Whew. Nice feel. Cut this bad boy on. You already know it's got to be in manual. This is a dummy lens. Boom. Oh yeah. $16. So T16 all the way to T2.9. Long throw on the focus, long throw on the focus. Smooth. Let me get that infinity. Now put it on infinity. Infinity focus. Boom. Infinity focus is cool. Oh, I know y'all see that screen going like the dark. T-stops is crazy. Oh, okay. I'm loving it. Just know we got it. Say hi. If that's that's not in focus to me. That's focus right there. We even focus right there. That's beautiful. Yeah. That's crazy. Let me get that like I want it. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy focus right there. That's beautiful. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Peace.